Hey Aquarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Oh, okay. Wedding. The situation involves marriage. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Bottom of the deck, trust. The situation is calling for you to have faith. Oh, okay. So, Aquarius, there's someone here that's hoping that you're going to give them a chance. Now, up, somebody wants to marry you. There's somebody here that wants to marry you, and I wouldn't be surprised if someone they're planning like an engagement soon. Like, I feel like once they get out of a situation, if they haven't already gotten out of it, because maybe they're planning a trip, maybe they want to take you somewhere, and then they're going to propose to you. They want you to know it is safe for you to love. They're hoping that, you can trust them. You're still having faith that this is still going to happen, right? Now, for some of you, maybe this person is in a commitment or they're married. And this is why they've been keeping their distance from you. So the thing is, yes, they want to be with you, but they know that they broke your trust. They want you to know, like, I still see someone getting out of it, though. And once they get out of it, they want you to know, like, they're going to do everything that they can to regain your trust back. Because they're hoping you're going to give them another chance. Okay. Let's see. Oh, somebody has a decision to make. Air sign and water sign. Someone has that in their chart. Just caught my eye when I looked down. Okay, anyway. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'm seeing that someone doesn't want you to walk away with the Eight of Cups reversed. Let's see. What's going on with Aquarius? There go that water sign. Alright, so listen. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but I do feel like this person's upset. Because they didn't balance things out with you. Look at that. It's like they could have had or been in some type of family situation, but I'm telling you, this person views you as their wish fulfillment. I'm telling you, somebody wants to marry you. Somebody definitely wants to marry you, but they know that they're going to have to make a change. See, I told you, if they're married or there's some type of family situation going on, they're going to have to put an end to it. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Yep. But they're coming out of being frustrated about getting out of some type of third-party situation. But they're going back and forth. Why? Because it's about how to approach you. This person was being sneaky in the past. And it's like, yes, they're making changes, but I feel like this bothers them. They're like, okay, I messed up. See? Told you, they were being sneaky in the past. This was like either a family situation, family was involved, or this is somebody from the past they could have been dealing with. But I'm seeing again, the decision is they're going to put an end to it. They want to heal things with you because they know that they broke your heart. Yep. I'm telling you, there's some type of family situation or a living situation going on that they're not happy in. And they're sad. I'm telling you, they're not happy. I'm telling y'all, they're isolating themselves right now. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Yeah, this person wants to do right by you. They want to come back and fix this, but they're afraid that they're not going to have this new opportunity. Yep, they regret a lot of the things that they've said and they've done to you. And they want things to improve between the two of you. See? Aquarius, you could be dealing with another Aquarius, but it's like they're trying to have hope, that they can't. Remember I told you I saw that trust card? They're hoping that you're going to have faith. I'm seeing that again. But right now it's like this person, they're still moving slow. Maybe they're afraid that things may not improve between the two of you, but they're going to have to move fast. But they can't. This person, they're wanting to move fast, but they can't move fast because they're still going through some type of cycle that they're needing to wrap up. Yep. Alright, so let's see. They definitely want things to improve with you, so yes, they will be coming back. to give you an offer, Aquarius. Yep, I'm telling you, this person's going to tell you that they want a new beginning with you. And they're going to tell you they put an end to a commitment. They're going to tell you that they got out of some type of situation. They're going to tell you the truth. It's a lot. I feel like for some of you guys, you may not know what exactly this person was going through, but I'm telling you, they're going to come back and they're going to reveal it all. They're just moving slow to do it. They're taking it day by day. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus. Why is the Hierophant here? This person's afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. Again, for some of you, I'm telling you, they were in a commitment. Some of them could have been married. Yeah, and they regret their decision because, see, that's a cycle they're trying to get out of. And see, now they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. Let's just say if they weren't married, they were in some type of commitment or they were committed to someone, you know, and yeah, they're afraid you're not going to take them back. See, they got to come back and tell you the truth. They got to come back. They're going to get out of their head, but see, it's like, I feel like this person was holding on to a previous situation, you know, whether it's family, a love interest, friends, you know, and now it's like they're realizing, like, I really messed up with him or her. So they want to come back, and they know they're going to have to speak their truth because you guys aren't reaching out. They have to come back. Y'all have to put your foot down, you know, but they don't know how exactly to approach you at this point. But they're going to get out of their head. See, it's a lot of truths coming out. I'm seeing truths coming out, guys. So if you haven't heard from this person, get ready. I'm seeing truths. They know your guard is up, though. And this is, yeah, see, they're having a hard time. They don't know how exactly to do this. Back and forth with the Empress. Okay. Why is the Empress here? Look at that. See what I'm saying? So they want a new beginning with you, but they're afraid that it may not happen. So I'm seeing that they will listen to their intuition and get out of their head. Why is the Devil here reversed? Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. They're going to take a leap. That's interesting because when I saw the Empress, I was basically picking up that they're getting advice. And that's what this card definitely represents. They're getting advice from someone. See? Because they don't want you to cut them off. Could be dealing with a Leo. Could be dealing with an Aries. But you see, I have 2 4s here. So this person, I'm telling you, it's like either you had some type of like family with them, a child with them, or children, or they could have had some type of home or family situation, you know, outside of you. But regardless, they're going to come back trying to give you a stable offer, but they're afraid you're going to reject them. And see, that's why they're quiet. This person's afraid of rejection. They want to be with you, but they're trying to get their stability together. See, it's money. Okay. They don't want you waiting on them, and so they're going to have the confidence to come towards you. Clarify? Yep, they're going to give you an offer. You're a blessing to this person. You're a blessing. But they know they can't give you this offer until they free themselves from another situation that they were in. And see, it's like every time they want to say something to you, they don't. They chicken out. The seeds they planted with you, they want them to grow. See, this person wants to start over and they want to build with you. They want to heal things. Because, yeah, they did leave you out in the cold. But they're going to give you a small offer first. And they're going to be confident. They're going to come back in there. I'm telling you, this person wants to rebuild with you. Because they don't want you to walk away from them. But they're afraid that, again, they're not going to have a new beginning until they get out of this third-party situation. I told you, y'all, this person, I keep telling y'all, if you haven't heard from them, they're going to come back. The problem is, it's the timing. They know you're not playing with them. They got to come back correct. See, it's like once they get out of this situation, they're going to move forward. Could be dealing with a Cancer. I told you, your guard is up. Y'all are playing with this person, and they know it. That's why they're like, if I'm going to have a chance with him or her, I have to get out of this other situation because, ooh, some of y'all done already cussed this person out. Y'all did a number. But you know what? I don't feel sorry. They deserve it. See? I told you. Y'all went off. I thought this is past energy. Y'all went off. Y'all went off on this person. And now they're like, wow, I don't know, you know, how this is going to play out. Because your guard is up. You want to hear them out, but you're not playing with them anymore at all. And that's why they're afraid you're not going to take their offer. This is why there's a lot of sadness here, you know. But I'm seeing they're going to make a decision. Why is the Queen of Pentacles here? Tell me more. See, the thing is, they do feel like you're moving on without them, but I do feel like there is somebody still around them. So it's like they're keeping tabs on you. They're watching you very closely because right now they can't put in the work with you just yet. Yep, there's no balance, I feel like, with their finances. I'm seeing 2 6s. There's some type of family situation going on that there's no balance in. And this is why right now they're not being positive. You could be dealing with a Libra. Why is Justice here? Yeah, they're trying to free themselves from some type of situation that they put themselves in with someone else. You know, and it's like right now, they know they hurt you. But see, they're coming back to turn things around. I told y'all. But what do I always say? Don't wait. They'll be alright. But let's see. How's this gonna play out? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm seeing the 7 of Pentacles. Yeah, y'all are frustrated. Because this person, again, they've had you waiting around for too long. But Spirit is saying you're not listening to your intuition. Yeah, there's love here. There's love here. Oh, y'all, look at, yeah, there's love here. This is your person. I know, don't roll your eyes at me, okay? I'm just a messenger. I'm telling you. This is your person, you know, and they're saying that, I feel like a lot of you guys received a glimpse into the future, you know what I'm saying, like as far as what you're supposed to have with this person, a family, like all of that. But the thing is, you're thinking about the past and everything that this person put you through, and you're like, I don't want it. I don't want a new opportunity with this person. You were going through a lesson. I definitely feel like it's one of those situations to where when this person does come back, you're gonna have to balance head over heart. You're going to have to think very carefully because they're saying you're not listening to your intuition. Give the relationship a chance because there can be a time where it's like, I see you guys celebrating. But the thing is, you're looking at them like, they're not even opening up. They're not talking to me. You know, they're barely saying anything to me. But look at that. I'm telling you, you can have a happy home. 11-11. Let me see. You're having a hard time because you're feeling like things aren't going to improve due to this person moving snail slow. This is still going to take some time. That's why I just told y'all, don't wait. Keep going. Keep going. It's like this is going to take some time. This person has been all talk, no action. You're over here like, you know, they said some real foul things to me in the past. And so basically, even though I know that there's an offer coming in for me from this person, I had to do what I had to do to clear away these obstacles and let this person go. Yeah, look at that. You have 2 10s. I told you, you let them go. This is an ending. You're like, no, I don't want this person anymore. I'm good. You don't see yourself having a new beginning with them at all. The seeds you planted with them, you're like, you know what? I don't want them to grow. Queen of Swords tried to come out reverse. Y'all are like, I'm done. But see, you're back and forth. You're like, okay, 1 minute, I want to turn things around with this person, but the next minute, I don't see how that's going to happen. Give me 10 more for Aquarius, please. Yep. It's like they're not moving forward with you, and you're like, I'm not reaching out. There's a devil. There's some fear here. Clarify. Yep, there's fear. There's fear. Maybe some of you guys are feeling like you're not going to get an offer, but I'm telling you, there's an offer coming in. And I think the fear has to be when this offer comes in, you're like, should I take it? Is this really a good offer for me? That's the judgment. You got to make a decision. But you guys are going to come out of your head. You're not going to be worried about it. Clarify. Yeah, you guys are going to put on this face. Like this person still triggers something. But you refuse to let them know this. This situation still bothers you. Yep, and it's like you don't have the strength to deal with them. But you're frustrated. Okay. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. Alright guys, talk to you soon.